Alright, so this is problem number 1 for the extra credit of exam number 3, and it is problem number 4 from the test exam 3. And it reads as follows. For the reaction of HNO3 nitric acid plus NH3 ammonia yields blank plus blank, which is the conjugate acid. So to do this, to solve this problem, the first thing that we have to remember is the Bronsted-Lowry theory of acids and bases, which states that acids are proton donors, so H+, and bases are proton acceptors. So here we have HNO3 plus NH3 yields, that's a horrible error, yields blank and blank. So according to the Bronsted-Lowry theory, HNO3 is going to be our acid because it's going to be the proton donor, and NH3 is going to be our base because it's going to be the proton acceptor. So since HNO3 is going to donate a proton, or an H+ to NH3, this is going to end up giving us NO3 or nitrate plus NH4 plus, or ammonium, nitrate, ammonium. So now, which one's the conjugate acid? Well, the one that accepted, the one that has a new proton is a conjugate acid, and the other one is the conjugate base. So this was the one that accepted the proton, and this was the one that donated the proton. And like that. So our answer is D, NH4 plus ammonium. Thank you.